had major operations through skin cancer developing on my body. My arms and legs are covered with skin cancers.
This is 7 News.
7 p.m. project.
ABC News.
Forgetting to reapply sunscreen at the beach happens all too often, but that may soon be a thing of the past.
Rather than the usual sirens warning people of shark attacks,
Beachgoers will hear a short jingle to remind us to protect ourselves from the sun.
Written by one of Australia's best-known musicians, and it's coming to a beach near you.
Be Sun Sound.
Many of us do know the dangers of sun exposure. We are faced with it every single day, but unfortunately we have very short memories.
Yeah, no, I think it's a good reminder actually, because sometimes you forget about it.
In an environment where teenagers are busy socialising, doing other activities at the beach, a simple sound, particularly a friendly sound, will, I think, remind them in a positive way of positive sun behaviours.
If the sun sound had been around when I was a youth, it would probably help prevent all this cancer that I've got on here.
Triple J.
2UE Summer Breakfast.
The sun
A
sound.
short and catchy jingle reminding beachgoers to be sun safe.
The Cancer Council's Sun Sound.
A new weapon in a fight against skin cancer.
Get used to hearing this sound when you hit the beach.
It's a light-hearted way to get a serious message across.
It's one of those cultural experiments, the sun sound. You know, you hear a siren and telephone ring, like you know what these sounds mean. So it's kind of exciting to think about the idea of the sun sound being thought of in a similar context.
I would recommend to other schools as well.
Might get 100,000 people come through the beach during the day. If the sun sound can remind just one person a day, then it's a good result.
Be Sun Sound.
Du, 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 du.
Dun, 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 dun.